Are you ready for the event of all fashion events? Yes, I'm inviting you, but seats are very limited to the one-stop VIP shop fashion show right here in the heart of South Beach. You don't want to miss it. It is going down on February the 5th, 2022. Thank you to all my sponsors. Thank you to everyone that has purchased from the one-stop VIP shop. You know how amazing it is to have a piece of clothing, drinkware, backpack, t-shirt, tank top, joggers, and I want to have Yaya say hello. Are you excited about the fashion show?
I'm excited about
this
the
is our
fashion
space.
show.
Do you know how hard it is to contract this humongous space? I just want to say thank you to God for my cup running over. I can produce an amazing event that's going to inspire so many, and I'm just excited to welcome you all up here to this VIP event. You're going to have the best time ever. February the 5th, one-stop VIP shop fashion show. You don't want